Let's talk alignment specs here if you guys want something for like a Canyon setup and track day. I'm coming from the Canyon side because I'm not really a track day guy, though I have taken this to a few track days. I'm more of a Canyon guy. So let me show you my setup here so you can try it out. So the front camber, -3.9 to 4. That's just my preference. The car bites pretty hard and it doesn't understeer. The rear camber, -2.5. And I like that because my car rotates pretty good. Toe, where the wheel points, is 0 front, 0 back. And I like it like that. If you want a little bit more twitch and like response, toe out just a smidge. But for my setup, just do 0 toe, front and back, -3.9 or 4 degrees on the front and -2.5 on the rear, and you should be good. And suspension wise, and we got so much stuff going on in this car that I can't even really start, but let me just show you if you're really interested. PCI lower control arm. These are all spherical, meaning there's no rubber on any of these mating surfaces, right? And then even over here, this is a giant freaking spherical. All right, that's another bushing part that used to be rubber from the factory. And then I have Moton 3-way coilovers with the little reservoirs. See that right there? And then what else? I mean, suspension wise, I guess that's it. Carbing bar right here. This is a carbing tie bar for the subframe. This one's actually steel. A lot of these eBay ones are aluminum and they're completely useless. So yeah, do that. And then I also have Hone's lower, what is a tie rod. So this is for the steering tie rod right here. Pretty cool, and you can adjust all the drop whatever. I mean, there's so many things that could go on with these. I'm trying to just simplify it for you guys, but yeah, the steering rod right here is from Honed, and that's pretty much it. The lower ball joint also from Honed. That's pretty cool because that's their like bump steer correction, blah 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 blah. I don't want to get into it because that's gonna go over a lot of people's heads. And on the back right here we have the PCI toe arm, spherical as well. Then the trailing arm bushing is from PCI as well. And there you go. And then lower control arm. See that right there? That is also from PCI. No, he doesn't offer this in the raw aluminum anymore, but you can get it in black. Moton coilovers, ASR subframe with the big boy torsion bar. This is a torsion bar right here. It's not a sway bar, I guess. And this is the 120 wall, so thicker. This car rotates like crazy. But you know, if you wanna copy this setup, just make sure you know how to drive a car that rotates like crazy, especially front wheel drive, because it's kind of dangerous. And then we got the Honed roll center adjuster setup. I think that's what they call this, roll center kit. It bolts onto the rear trailing arm and it moves the pivot point down a little bit. See that? So yeah, a lot of work on the suspension here, but the car drives insane. Pete right now is doing a alignment setup so I can go back out there. I'm excited. Let me show you the back end here real quick. Does aero make a big difference on front wheel drive cars? I think so. I took it out to the canyons the other day and this car feels insane.